I'm a taffy kind of man. I love my taffy. Oh, my 0 to 60 spot. Here we go. More like 0 to 70. That's more realistic. What's up, guys? Joe from Joe's Golden Garage. I've got the 05 Ford F150 today. The XLT with the 5.4 Triton. And I've got me a little trailering buddy. Isn't that the handiest little utility trailer? Look at that thing. That is so sharp. Looks like it was once an old boat trailer. Just the way that, how long that tongue is. But this is my parents' little utility trailer. It's got a fold down back. They used to carry their motorcycles and lawnmowers and what have you in it. It's got a new set of tires on it. I've got one working light and I've got one that's busted out. So I got to address that this weekend. I'm helping my wife move this weekend. So anyway, we got to load a trailer and a truck up with some furniture. We're got a nice little kick up, whatever the hell you call that. Jack stand's the only thing I can think of. But anyway, let's go for a little ride. I figure I'd just get a little footage of the old truck pulling the trailer. She pulls pretty good. Be old 177,000 mile 5.4 Triton. Oh boy. Yeah, that's a good pulling trailer. I've pulled it, gosh, they've had that thing for years. I've pulled it with a lot of my cars and trucks over the years, and it's always been a great pulling trailer. Back when I used to have my couple of motor scooters, I'd load them up in it and take them wherever I needed to go. It was pretty cool for hauling a scooter, both scooters. I could get both my Piaggio and my Honda Elite in there side by side. It was great for that. All right. About 50% throttle. We're not trying to kill it or nothing. So 50% throttle, hey, pulls just fine. Even when you got a load in her, which I haven't done with this truck, but I have with my 03 Expedition we owned that had the same engine. And I used to pull this trailer on the freeway with the scooters in it, and it would pull it 80 miles an hour, man, no problem. Piece of cake. Hardly know what's back there. Anyway, I'll get back here in a second. Let's get to the freeway and get off these secondaries. And we'll get a little freeway clip. About 50% throttle. Getting on the freeway, merging on the I-75. I'm going to push her too hard. I'm not interested in seeing if I can, you know, drop the transmission or blow the motor in. Nice little incline here. seems. Fast enough. This old truck doesn't get driven very much anymore. It just sits, collects mold and leaves on the exterior. Need to get it out and drive it more. But she's a good one. Remember from my old videos, this is a one-owner truck. My dad bought this brand new in 2005. 177,000 miles. 177,700 miles. Is that unlucky, or no? It'd be sixes, wouldn't it? But yeah, just a great truck. It's had the cam, whatever, phasers. That problem's been taken care of on this truck a few years back. This truck's actually had a new timing chain rolled into it. It's just a good reliable truck. Still original transmission, but she's a good one. Holding it low right through here. We got cops that usually hang out. Okay, no cops today. Okay. How's everybody doing out there in the world? Everybody getting their COVID vaccinations? Can you even talk about that on YouTube? I've heard a few people not saying that word. Anyway, I got mine, so I'm good to go. And no, I'm not doing whiskey therapy in the mornings. So yeah, she's a solid cruiser. I feel like I could bump it on up to 80, but why consume all the gas? Now, if I was in the Audi, we'd be running 100. We will give her a little bump up to 80. Let's see what it's like. See what she's like. There we go. That's just more like about 82. Coast. There we go. Ice cold air conditioning. Good sounding old radio for what is not much of a radio. It sounds good. She's just a hard truck to beat. My dad likes driving this more than he does his GMC, his what is it, Z71 Sierra Elevation. He still enjoys this truck more than that damn truck. I got a cop behind me. This is fantastic. I'm going to go ahead and just end this video. Y'all like, subscribe, comment. I appreciate any comments. And y'all have a great day, and we'll see y'all next time. Peace. Okay, we made it to my original home, sweet home. You guys haven't seen this place in a while. That's because I've been gone for a year and a half. But we sold it. Three days. I'm gonna miss living here. But got one last load of stuff to get out, get loaded up, and a new chapter begins. I think we're gonna have us a thunderstorm here later tonight. It's supposed to roll in. Feels good outside right now. I just love this trailer. I thought my hitch was too low at first, but actually it's pretty good. It's just about right, just about dead even. I mean, it could stand to be maybe a little higher, but I grabbed the first hitch that came to hand. Anyway, y'all have a good one. Peace. Headed back from my weekend helping my wife move to the new house. I've got the trailer in tow. I don't know if you can see that. Trailer in tow. I've got about 500 pounds in it. I got a dresser and 2 huge rugs. But yeah, man, this thing's towing like a champ. Got the cruise locked. Well, I had the cruise locked in on 80. Let me get her back up there. Let's see. There we go. And we're just cruising right along, man. But it was a successful weekend. Everything got moved. The old house got cleaned. And got our $1,500 security deposit back, which was nice, even though I had to spend $450 getting the house clean just to get that back. So I guess you can say I got about $1,000 back. The new house is small, definitely downsized, but you know, we got rid of a lot of stuff, and it's going to be neat. It's a neat little house. I think it's something my wife can manage better, since she's a working mother, school teacher, you know, our son who suffers with autism, and just, you know, it'll be a good house for her to stay on top of, instead of that gigantic, I can't remember how many 4,000 square feet, 45. It was huge. Square foot house. This is something more manageable. 1 level, 3 bedrooms, 2 baths, living room, dining room, kitchen, family room. All rooms are large. All bathrooms are large, but it's all 1 story. Oh, there went my box that was flopping around in the back. All right. Yeah, I got a stack of cardboard boxes back there too. I've got the dresser laying on top of it. I just saw one up go flying out. I got about 50 of them back there. I hope no more decide to take flight. But yeah, so successful move, and I'm just, I'm like this guy in his old Ford F-150. He's got him a load too. No trailer in tow. Ohio tag. Let's see how much rust he's got on his. You know what? It's pretty clean to be an old F-150. Pretty darn clean. I'm impressed. I bet there's some rust hiding underneath there somewhere. Anyway, we'll just get a little freeway footage. And I'll be quiet. Guys, I appreciate y'all watching. I know I hadn't had much new content lately. I've been just so busy at work. And I hope to get out to the auction soon to get some more little test drives and stuff of some cars. But me and my brother both have just been covered up and just haven't had time to do it with our real jobs. So, oh Lord, I've got Sunday traffic ahead. Holy shit. Why don't we just come to a standstill? Typical Sunday traffic on I-75, man. This interstate, I bet it sees 10 million cars a day. Ridiculous. Anyway, like, comment, subscribe. Please comment, please like. I do respond to all comments, good or bad. Throw it at me. Y'all have a good one. Peace out.